In early 2021, Masicka released his first studio album, 438. This album has cemented his spot in dancehall for years to come. With all the fame and admiration comes trial and tribulation. Masicka has risen to the top of the dancehall arena, outshining and overshadowing many that were in the arena before and after him. He now faces the hardest part of dancehall, clashing. Masicka has the opportunity to go head-to-head with the very best of two generations that will most likely have different outcomes depending on how he performs. Masicka is facing a problem that the Great War General Sun Tzu advises against. But before that, if you are enjoying the new revolutionary content being made on this channel, please subscribe and like for more content. The master Sun Tzu said, "I have heard that in war haste can be folly, but have never seen delay that was wise." Masicka has a very important choice to make: ALKALINE or skeng, the lone king or the new rising force. Masicka's dilemma seems to have paralyzed him. At the time of this recording, Masicka has not responded to any of the subliminals directed towards him by either artist. Sun Tzu advises against delaying a plan of attack, even though to rush a plan of attack can lead to your downfall. If Masicka clashes with ALKALINE, we get to see a battle between giants of their respective generations, possibly a few hits and a surprise ending. These two artists both have a cult-like fan base that would never expect either to lose in a lyrical confrontation. This could possibly be on the level of the Gully Gaza feud in the early 2000s. This feud could take their careers to the highest heights of music. On the other hand, if he clashes Skeng, Masicka could be responsible for an explosive rise in Skeng's career or its destruction. In both cases, Masicka's only risk would be a loss in reputation. The book 48 Laws of Power advises you to protect it with your life. If ALKALINE wins, the long-argued debate would cease and the better the two men would be settled. If Skeng wins, that would be even more detrimental to Masicka, a young upstart demolishing a giant. Skeng would rise to the top spot in dancehall and Masicka slowly diminish into the background. This is Masicka's dilemma, choosing between a rock and a hard place. If we could advise Masicka at the Yaadsman, our advice would be Law 15 from the 48 Laws of Power: destroy your enemies completely. Attack them both with everything he has. Masicka has the high ground. He doesn't have to attack them directly. Bait them into more interactions, and when they respond directly, crush them similarly to how Silk Boss did Jasty, or how Cartel did Bounty Killer and Movado. If he loses, he'll still be respected for taking on a giant and a growing superstar. If he wins, he will ascend to legend status.